Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Mr. Money, and if you are coming across my channel for the very first time, what I do on this platform, I post money making updates and tips on how to make money online daily on this platform. So make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get notified on anytime I post updates like this regularly. And also make sure to join my Telegram community, which I'll be leaving a link down below in the description. So today I'll show you a new mining platform that just came on board. Actually, this mining platform, you can go to make over $100 from this mining platform if you take it very serious. This is a new mining platform. I have done my own personal investigation, and this mining platform is actually paying for real. It is actually paying, guys. It is actually, so you guys need to jump into it right now. But this is a disclaimer alert. I am not a financial advisor. What I do here, I go in research on how to make money online. I find it, I test it out, and I bring it out online. So please make sure to do your own due diligence research about this platform before you start using it. So I'm really telling you from my own review of what I have done and how it has benefited me. So let's dive into it. So this is the interface. When you click on open, I'll be leaving a link to this platform down below in the description of this video. I'll also be leaving the link to my community channel down below, Telegram community channel down below too. So make sure to also join my community channel to get more about on this update. So as you can see right here, I just recently joined this platform, and I've done my investigation about the coin, about each and everything. I've also check their white paper. I have gone through their YouTube channel. I have done a lot of things about them. Check their coin on and their exchange online. And this platform is really legit. It's 100% legit. It's not a scam. It is 100% legit. So now this is the platform interface. As you can see right now, I am currently mining. So total of what I have mined. If you look at my screen right here, the total amount of coin I have mined down here is 55.155 continuously Gcoin, which is equivalent to 0.005 USDT. Now mind you, that's not my balance. That's just the one I have mined for today. That's just the amount I have mined for today. You can see mining progress. You can see right here, and this is my mining power right here. You can see it right here. So you guys need to dive into this platform. Is legit and it's actually paying. And actually the phone part is for free, but there are also parts where you have to require you to make payment. If you want to increase your mining rate, you can also buy mining machine at a very cheap price, 3 USDT. That's a very cheap rate. You can buy. It's very easy. Don't worry, I'll also be doing a video on how to convert your naira to USDT in case you want to purchase a mining machine on this platform. Okay, but if you're not interested in purchasing a mining machine, or you don't want to make any deposit on this platform, that's still great, because you can still make money even without making any deposit on this platform. So first of all, let me show you how you can earn. First of all, you can earn on this platform through mining. Yes, you can earn on this platform. As you can see, I am already mining. Mine is mining in progress. So and now let's go to tax. The second way you can mine actually is through tax. So if you go to tax right here, you can mine through tax. So let's see. Look at as you can see, this is my tax. I have done most of them. Right here. These are my tax. So this is a mine pool right here. This is the mining pool right here. Yes, this is the mine pool right here. So how do you join this mining pool? All you have to do is just refer someone. Once you refer someone, you automatically join the mining pool. And everybody inside the mining pool, when this date comes to an end, actually they'll be giving you okay. Now aside from the mining aspect, how do you earn on this platform? Okay, it's very easy. First of all, we go to tax. You can see right here, this is what we call our mining pool right here. This is our pool right here. You can see very well. For you to join this pool, you need to refer over one person. So once you're in this pool, once this total hour counts down, when the countdown of this total hour reach zero, automatically they will distribute 10,000 USDT to everybody in this mining pool right here. They will distribute 10,000 to everybody. So if you are lucky right now, they have over 15 hours before it counts down. So if you can go to join this platform right now, as you are watching this video and refer someone, you can go to join them. You can maybe 2 USDT, 10 USDT, 5 USDT, you can go to reach your hand. Right now USDT is over 1,500. That's cool, 3,000 just for free. Then we also have tax right here that you can also do to earn more of this token. You have join Telegram community, follow again. Yes, you have this invite and also earn that also. So what's next? Let's go to accelerate. Okay, yeah, accelerate. These are not play means you can also earn from this platform. From your lucky win, that's it's giving 3 every single day. You can spin only 3 times every single day. You can see I'm spinning mine. You can spin only 3 times every single day, and it will be added to your balance. Okay. Okay, the total coin I earned from this is will be added to my balance. Let's go over to the next. There's also spin right here, lottery spin right here. So you also spin to earn tokens. Okay, now this is, you can see I have earned over 2 Gcoin. Okay, and you can see then this is my miner right here. These are my miner right here. So this is where you purchase your mining machines. We have over a mining machine that gives you over 1.2 Gcoin per day. Okay, that's over for the cost of 3 USDT. We also have 2.4 Gcoin per day for the cost of 5 USDT. So it's your choice whether you want to purchase or not. But better you know this platform is absolutely free, but it is your choice whether to make any deposit to buy any miner. And this platform is 100% legit. So go back to your team. Now this is where your referrals will show. So this is where your referrals will show. When you refer someone into this platform, this is where it will show. Then go to your wallet. Now this is my total balance. I have a total balance right here of 2.027, 2.2 USDT. That's the total balance. I have 2 cents right here, 2.02 USDT. That's the total balance I have on this platform right now. I recently joined this platform. So how do you withdraw now once you have earned your money? This is not like an airdrop platform whereby you can go to withdraw your money. So how do you withdraw? You come right here. Okay, wait. If you look at the up right here, you see a withdraw option right here. So all you have to do is click on withdraw. It's a USDT BIP20. All you have to copy your address. You have to add your address, collection address, then click on your verification code FQUR. Once you've done it, you automatically save your address. So I've not added my address yet. So once you save your address, then you have to put your amount of USDT you want to withdraw. Now the minimum amount for you to withdraw on this platform, is 2 USDT. So the minimum amount is 2. Although you can withdraw below 2 USD, but for me, I'm telling you, it will be advisable you withdraw 2 USD because they do take service charge. So they do take service charge of 1 USDT as a service charge for each withdrawal you make. So it is much more better you make over 2 USDT before you make your withdrawal. So you can make over 1.5 USDT and make withdrawal. They will deduct 1 USDT and you will be credited with 0.5 cents. That's so for 0.5 USDT on your crypto wallet. That's just how it is. So let me show you guys, this platform is extremely legit. It just came on board right now. Please make sure to dive into it.